In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create food slide animations in Canva, 5 minutes. Open Canva and sign in so your project auto-saves as you go. From the home page, start a new video. You can choose a ready-made video template if you want a quick head start, or pick a blank video to have full control over the look and timing. Choose the aspect ratio that matches where you'll publish, like 1080 by 1080 for a square post or 1920 by 1080 for widescreen. Before designing, set up guides. Go to File, then View Settings, then Guides. Drop in margins and a center line so your plates, titles, and prices line up consistently across slides. Now build your scene. In the Elements panel, search for food illustrations, shapes, and icons, or upload your own photos. High-resolution PNGs with transparent backgrounds work best for clean layering. Use the Layers panel to stack items properly, keeping backgrounds behind foreground dishes and text on top. If you're working with a bowl and its shadow, or a plate and garnish, select them and group them so they move as one object during animation. Add depth next. Use simple shapes, soft gradients, and the shadows options under Edit Photo to create subtle drop shadows or glow. Keep opacity low so the effect feels natural and appetizing. Time to animate. Select an element, click Animate, and audition entrance styles like pop, baseline, or stomp. Adjust direction and speed so motion supports the story rather than distracting from it. For custom movement, choose Create an Animation under Animate. Drag the object along the purple motion path and hold Shift to keep travel in a straight line for clean slide-ins. To create a slide transition, duplicate your page. On the new page, move elements slightly off screen to their next positions, then add a match and move transition between the two pages. This tells Canva to track elements and create a smooth slide effect. Tweak the duration for the right pace. Refine timing in the timeline. Select any item and choose Show timing to trim its start or end so text and ingredients appear one by one in a sequence. When everything feels tight, preview the full animation from the top. Finally, export as an MP4 video, choosing the resolution that fits your platform. And that's your food slide animation ready to post. Before you share, keep colors consistent and limit fonts to 2 for a clean, branded look. Thanks for watching and happy designing.